Yo guys, what's up? It's Matt, CEO and co-founder of Wagmi Labs, and I'm making this video today because we have a massive update on our platform. We recently introduced trading view charts for the floor price of the NFT collections, but let's get straight into it so we can see how they work. So we're inside our all-in-one platform for NFT traders. First thing we want to do is sign in. If you still haven't, make sure you test the free trial. It's free for 7 days. All you have to do is just press start free trial, connect your wallet, and then sign in. After that, it's only 0.03 ETH a month for everything, literally everything we have in our platform. But let's get straight into it. So let's sign in. Okay, we are now inside. To get to the new charts in the collections, we want to open a random collection. Let's just pick beans. Then we have to go to charts, and floor price is the first one here. So as we can see, we already have it. This is our trading view chart for beans on the 1 hour. This was me charting it yesterday on live stream. I was doing some technical analysis on NFTs, which is really fun. I don't know if it works. We'll see in the next few days. I'm going to be testing it, so make sure you watch us on live stream on Kick. We stream from Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. EST. Live trading, technical analysis, crypto, NFT news, upcoming mints, everything. But anyways, here of course it's literally trading view, so you use it just as you would use trading view with crypto, stocks, forex, etc. Here you have your time frame, here you have your volumes, period, etc. And then of course you can do all your charting and drawings with the lines. You got trend lines, text, patterns, etc. Then of course we have a ruler where we can see the movements in price and everything else you would have on TradingView. So unlike other platforms that have TradingView, here we have a complete section with full body and wicks. The body of course indicates opening and closing of the candle in the time frame, and the wicks are the highs and the lows in that time frame. As you can see here, I was doing some charting, some technical analysis, trying to draw some patterns to see if we can make some trades based off of technical analysis on NFTs. I don't know if that's going to work. We'll see in the coming weeks, so make sure you stay tuned on kick.com, which is where we stream live trading, technical analysis, everything. Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And yeah, this was a really short video. This is literally how the trading view charts works. There's not much to it. Of course, you can also save your presets. So here, if you want, you can press save layout. You can rename. In this case, I've already saved my layout, and so I would rename. And if you still haven't, make sure you try our platform, guys. We've got a 7-day free trial going on. I don't know if it's going to be forever. We may remove this. I don't know when. So make sure you try it right now if you still haven't. And then after that, it's just 0.03 ETH a month, flat fee for our all-in-one platform for NFT traders. Guys, I can't wait to see you in, and see you in the next video. Peace out.